Hey, it's Mike Biddle. I'm back again today with another US1 electric trucking video. These are original TYCO barrels. Um, I've actually had these particular ones since I was a teenager, and actually ran across something really cool recently. This is a bag of 24 of the same barrels. These are not 3D printed. This is actual old stock from TYCO. It's the same barrels except they glow in the dark. How cool is that? So if you're missing barrels, you can actually snag these as replacements if you want. And you know, when they're not glowing, they look pretty much like the regular barrels. They do have a little bit of that greenish tint to them when they're not. But anyway, I think it's super cool. If you want to order some, there's a very limited amount available. You can replace all 6. If you want to order these, you can go to TYCO US1trucking.com. Again, that's TYCO US1trucking.com. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open these. They're sealed. And then I'm going to compare the two barrels, the original barrels that came with the set versus the new barrels. And they're exactly the same. You can actually tell they use the same mold from TYCO. But these are I think, you think about this, just I grew up outside of Oak Ridge, Tennessee, which is where they built the atomic bomb, assembled it, and these could be your radioactive barrels. See, they're hollow on the other side, just like the factory. So they're exactly the same. I'll do another video here closer up with my phone. So here's a closer look. You can tell that some I have, you know, that the one side's solid and the other side's hollow. So when you take these, flip them over, you can see they're, anyway, these are the same. There's not a lot of these left. They're basically old stock. And I'm going to put these up on TYCOUS1trucking.com to sell the, I'm only going to use 6 and I have 24. So I'll sell the extras online. All right, well, hopefully this video was interesting to you. And if you found it interesting, give me a like and subscribe.